So after safari, which was awesome, we had some troubles with the car. Jambo got a bit injured. The bonnet now doesn't actually shut, doesn't lock, so she's got a little strap to tie her down. One of the latches on the door literally snapped. Didn't just kind of get loose and fall off, it literally snapped in half. So we've got a new one put on. The awning fell off. Well, didn't fall off, was getting loose enough to fall off. So we had to zip tie it and weld one bit here. And then the thing that affected me the most was the drone. The drone got shook so much. That the gimbal is kind of working, but not very much, and now the propellers just don't turn on. So we can't get any more drone shots, which I'm really disappointed about. But hopefully we got enough. That did sadden me though. It's not good.